there my crafty friends, it's Terry from Vig's Test Creates here with another video tutorial for you for the Robin's Nest Creative. So there is a corresponding blog post to this which has got some more close-up pictures and written instructions of how I made the card as well that you can follow along with. But you might have come via the blog to see this video, but just to point out that there is the blog as well, which has regular content posted on it. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute and punny and sparkly gorgeous little Christmas card. So if you are sort of running behind in making your Christmas cards and you want some ideas for relatively quick Christmas cards, then this video will be right up your street. So let's dive in, shall we? Okay, so here are the materials that we're going to need to make the gorgeous card that I've just shown you. You'll need some green alcohol markers, watercolour pens, pencil crayons, whatever is your medium of choice, and the same with the red for the hat, and then a little bit of colour for the antlers, so maybe a grey or a brown or a white, and then maybe a little bit of colour to add to the white fluffy hat. So not much at all. It's a lovely cute little large image this, and I've been dying to colour this up. It's just going to be so cute. So you'll need a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card blank, or make one yourself. And then this is a piece of Nina Solar White Classic Crest in the £80, which you can see is the same colour white as the Tonic Studios 300 GSM card blank that I'm using. So this is cut to 4 by 5 1/4 inches, so a 1/4 inch border all the way around, to leave room for a little skinny green border, which will then just poke nicely between the two. So whatever method you're using to cut your panels down, whether you're using a craft knife and a steel edge rule, or a guillotine or anything like that, just cut the coloured panel to be between the 4 and 4 1/4 and the 5 1/4 and 5.5, and then you'll get a nice even border. What I always do as well when I'm colouring something is just test that the colours go well together. I've recently bought this set from Spectrum Noir where they've actually sort of put like 3 different greens together that will go together nicely, from different colour families. They already do a set where you've got light, medium and dark in the same family, but these are from different colour families. So I recently bought these, so I thought, oh, I'll try these out, and they look lovely. The green looks lovely. It looks perfect for the bright pea green that I was going for. And then the best way then to pick a colour for your background panel is to look at the colours that you're going to be using, and then for me, it was either going to be green or red, and I fancied green, so I went through all my green coloured papers and cardstocks and decided that this pine tree green from Tonic Studios would work nicely. And then you want to pick the colours of your embellishments. So I've got a beautiful array of red dewdrops and green dewdrops as well, and you can see there's different, some are more yellowy green and some are more tealy green dewdrops here. So I'm just going to stamp out the image and start colouring it up and creating the card. So what I'm going to do for you is speed this up for you and add some music, so you can just sit back, maybe you've got a cup of tea with you, and enjoy watching this card come together. So let's crack on, shall we? And here we go, my crafty friends, the completed card. I hope the camera picks up all of the shimmery detail on the little cute peas and the hat, which I added with some Nouveau Aqua Shimmer pen. This was such a fun image to colour up, and quite a quick card to pull together as well. I really like how many different colours that the dewdrops come in, because you're always sure to find like the perfect colour. Like this colour green is perfect for the pea pod and the peas, and I don't know about you, but I just love a punny sentiment. So I really hope that you enjoyed the sort of speed tutorial aspect of this video. Colouring is something that I really like to do, especially with alcohol markers, and but obviously, sort of as you saw, you tend to need to go over things twice, so it can be a bit of a time-consuming process. So my aim was to be able to show you some basic colouring, you know, of spheres and sort of like an area which has got sticky outy bits and bits that go in a quick way. So let me know below in the comments what you think. Did you enjoy that speed tutorial aspect? Would you like to see more of that kind of thing? I am thinking of doing some more of that kind of stuff over on my own channel as well, which the links will be down below, obviously, along with all of the links to the Robin's Nest Creative store and Facebook group, and which we would greatly encourage you to join and share your own creations, because we really want to see what you make with the wonderful dewdrop and canvases. So that's all from me today. If you do have any questions, then just let me know. One thing to just quickly tell you about, you might have wondered why I added the little bit of grey around the outside, and that just sort of helps the image to pop forward a bit off the page. So hopefully you can sort of see that. But yeah, so I shall see you again soon with some more crafty goodness. I've got another video coming up in a couple of weeks, and then I'm taking a break for a few months, but I'll be back in April. So but obviously there's other members of the team also doing videos, so don't worry, you're not going to be missing out on your video content for the Robin's Nest Creative. So I'll see you all soon, guys.